How to deactivate Facebook Live account. Hi everyone, I am Eva. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So, are you ready to dive in? Then let's get started. So, first of all, open the Facebook Lite app, and here on the top right corner of your screen, you can see three horizontal bars. So, just click there. And on Settings and Privacy, click there and click Settings. And here you can see more in Accounts Center. So, just click there and search accounts and click on account ownership and control, and here click on deactivation or deletion. So you want to delete Facebook account, so click on Facebook and simply choose the option of deactivate account and press on continue and re-enter your password and your account will be deactivated. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you liked this video, then please hit that like button and subscribe for more.